Hello and welcome to another Bradford Library's Rhyme Time. I'm Carol.
And I'm Michelle. And today we will be singing 3 unicorn rhymes. So if you know them, please join in. Right, shall we start off with Walk Along Josie? Now, we know Josie is a horse, but we're going to pretend that they're a unicorn just for this one. Okay. Are we ready, Anne? Walk along, Josie. Walk along, Joe. Walk along, Josie. Walk along, Joe. Be faster now. Trot along, Josie. Trot along, Joe. Trot along, Josie. Trot along, Joe. Even faster now. Cant on, Josie. Cant on, Joe. Cant on, Josie. Cant on, Joe. Even faster now. Gallop on, Josie. Gallop on, Joe. Gallop on, Josie. Gallop on, Joe. Whoa! That was a good one, wasn't it? Oh, I'm tired now with all that unicorn riding. What shall we do next? How about round and round the garden like a unicorn? So we're going to do this one twice, so we'll show you what to do the first time, and then the next time you can join in.
Yes,
Are we ready?
Yes.
Round and round the garden like a unicorn. 1 step, 2 step, oh, a great big yawn. And again, this time you join in. Round and round the garden like a unicorn. 1 step, 2 step, oh, a great big yawn. Oh, I like that one.
Yes, that's very restful.
And to finish off with, we're going to do If You're a Unicorn and You Know It. So are we ready for this one?
What was the first one we're going to do?
The first one I think we should do is say nay. So if we can all go nay. And then we're going to make a bit of noise. Are we ready? If you're a unicorn and you know it, say nay, nay. If you're a unicorn and you know it, say nay, nay. If you're a unicorn and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're a unicorn and you know it, say nay, nay. If you're a unicorn and you know it, wiggle your stick. If you're a unicorn and you know it, wiggle your stick. If you're a unicorn and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're a unicorn and you know it, wave your stick. Whee! My favourite one now. If you're a unicorn and you know it, make a loud noise. If you're a unicorn and you know it, make a loud noise. If you're a unicorn and you know it and you really want to show it,
unicorn and you know it, make a noise.
Well done. Thank you for joining us for another Rhyme Time, and we'll see you next time.